Hey, this is Adam with Heavy Metal Automotive. I'm going to walk around and show you this 2011 Ford F550 we have for sale. It's a two-wheel drive 6.7 Power Stroke diesel. It's got 11-foot Nap-Hide service body, 3,200-pound IMT hydraulic crane, VMAC engine-driven air compressor. It's got a Miller Bobcat diesel welder on it, several sets of slide-out drawers. Really nice. I think this truck come out of, I can't remember, but it's a rust-free truck. I want to say out west somewhere if I remember correctly. But it's a one owner, belonged to Union Pacific Railroad. So we'll walk around and take a look at it. This thing's only got like 190 hours on it, I think. Very low hours. Weld machine. This does slide forward. On these trucks, I get a lot of people ask me, can that cover come off? It's not built to come off by design, but obviously it can be taken off. I look at things differently than some people do. I think if you got a torch, just about anything's possible. So obviously it can come off if you want it off, but it's actually pretty nice having that enclosed storage. Up here, this is a 250D welder. It's a diesel. It does slide out. Outrigger down. Crane up, down. Engine out. Engine out. Engine in. Wake up. And obviously it does a lot more than what I'm showing. I'm just showing you all the basic functions that it works like it should. Alright. I'll bring her back up. Kick the PTO off. There it goes. If you have this set on crane there in the middle and you got it off, it kicks the PTO off. VMAC air compressor. $184, $341 on the mileage. Truck has hours, 6385 engine hours, 1672 idle hours. So the first one's the total, the second one is the idle. All right, if you're interested in this truck, give me a call, 256-310-6852. You can call or text. If you're looking out of state and you want to have this truck shipped, I can ship it straight to your door. Probably be looking around $1.50, $1.75 a mile. If you decide to go that route, just know that we're a dispatcher. So what we do is we post it on our dispatch board and we wait for somebody to call and say, hey, I see you got this truck going to California or New York, wherever you're at, we want to take it for you. So we don't have someone just sitting here at the ready to leave out as soon as you pay for it. Normally you'll have the truck in 3 to 7 days. Sometimes it can take a little longer and sometimes it's immediately. Like, I don't know, the last 2 trucks, we actually sold one in California and one to New York, but I think we got the money on a truck in New York Monday, and customer should have it Friday. And truck in California, I think it took about 10 days once he paid to receive his truck, so that's pretty good. But anyways, if you're one of those guys, you got to know the exact second you're going to get it, the exact second they're going to pick it up, the exact second they're going to pull in your driveway. The only way to know that is to pick it up in person. I can give you a rough idea like I just did, but you know, I can't tell you an exact second on anything. But like I said, roughly 3 to 7 days you'll have the truck. But like I said, some people, they just got to know. That's fine. And the only way to know that is to come pick it up in person. If you decide to do that, we're open Monday through Friday, 7 to 4. We're not open on the weekends. And if you come, you got to bring a cashier's check, do a wire transfer, or bring cash. I can't take a check on your name or your business name. It has to be a certified bank check, which is a check you go get from the bank that says cashier's check, bank check, something along them lines. It has to be a bank check, certified. So anyways, please don't show up with a regular check. I won't be able to sell you the truck and you'll leave mad and I'll not be happy either. So anyways, also please call before you come. These trucks sell pretty quick. And we keep our trucks at a different location than where they're listed online. Basically our online address is where we do all the recon on the trucks, and we have another holding lot where we keep them, because you can't leave anything sitting outside in Anniston, Alabama. They'll cut the converters off of it and steal everything off of it, so we have to keep everything locked up in a building. So If you decide to come, give us a heads up, let us know you're coming. We'll have the truck out and ready for you. Anyways, again, it's an 11 F550 two-wheel drive 6.7 diesel. It's got 11-foot napide bed, 3,200-pound crane, Miller Bobcat welder, VMAC air compressor, loaded up. A nice truck. Thanks for watching.